In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set take profit and stop loss in Binance spot trading. Understanding how to set these parameters is essential for managing your investments more effectively and for safeguarding your trading strategy against unexpected market shifts. Let's walk through the process to ensure you're set up for success. First, open your Binance app and navigate to the trade section. Once you're there, head to spot trading. Spot trading allows you to buy or sell cryptocurrencies directly and is typically used for immediate transactions. So tap on spot to bring up the area where you'll conduct your trades. Next, you'll need to select your trading pair. A trading pair is essentially the two cryptocurrencies you want to trade between. For instance, if you wish to trade Bitcoin and Tether, you'll look for the BTC USDT pair. The trading pair determines what currencies you're swapping and importantly sets the stage for both your take profit and stop loss orders. Make sure you choose the correct pair before proceeding. Once you have your trading pair selected, it's time to move on to the order type. Here we'll focus on the OCO order, which stands for one cancels the other. OCO allows you to place two orders simultaneously, giving you a level of safety and flexibility all at once. You can have a take profit order and a stop loss order active at the same time on the same trading pair. It's an efficient way to ensure you maximize your profits while limiting potential losses. Now for setting the prices, remember patience and precision are key here. Start with your take profit, which is essentially your target price. This is the price at which you want to sell for a profit. Enter this number based on your market analysis or personal profit goals. Right after, you'll need to set your stop loss, which helps you minimize loss by selling before the market drops too much. Here, you'll enter your stop limit, which includes a stop price to trigger the limit order and a limit price to define the least acceptable selling price. Finally, once you've double checked all of your entries for accuracy, it's time to confirm these orders. This step is crucial to ensure both your TP and SL are active. With your confirmation, Binance will monitor the market for you and execute these orders toward your desired goals automatically. And there you have it, you've successfully designated a take profit and a stop loss for your trades on Binance. By mastering these steps, you're not just setting conditions for a single trade, but equipping yourself to make strategic decisions across your trading journey. Happy trading, and may your investments grow wisely.